Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Hi guys and girls. Have you wondered how plants propagate? Plant propagation is simply the multiplication or production of plants. Chicken lay eggs. Human gives birth. But what about plants? Today, let's answer this question. How does plant propagate? First, plant propagation can be divided into two categories: sexual and asexual propagation. Sexual propagation is also known as seed propagation. Occurs when pollen from the male anthers fertilizes an egg from a female ovule to produce a seed. This seed creates a third new individual plant that inherits some of each parent's characteristics, but not identical to any. Advantages of sexual propagation can result in stronger and resilient plants. Hybrids from cross-pollination creating new varieties, and reduced chances of virus disease. Seeds can also be stored for a long time, making them convenient. Disadvantages can be lack of uniformity in growth, yield, and fruit quality. Compared with asexual propagated plants, due to the combination of characteristics of two separate plants, they show variation. And lastly, they also take longer to bear fruit compared to the asexual propagated plants, usually double the time. Now let's talk about asexual plant propagation. It's basically cloning the plant, using some part or tissue of its parent plant. The goal is to produce identical plant that gives us some advantages, like uniform growth, yield, and quality of fruit, which simplify harvesting and marketing. Some seedless fruits like banana, pineapple, and guava varieties can only further propagate asexually. They also bear fruits earlier. Some disease resistance can be replicated for future harvest. Disadvantages can include no new variety or evolution through asexual propagation. It's more expensive. Plants can be short-lived, and the parent plant can transmit viral diseases. Asexual plant propagation can involve methods like cutting, division, layering, grafting, budding, and tissue culture. The most common and easiest method is cutting propagation. It involves simply cutting off a part of the parent plant, then root it. It then regrows and develops into a clone. So let's answer our original question again and summarize this. How do plants propagate? Sexual propagation is using seed, creating new individual plant. Asexual propagation is using a part of the parent plant to clone another identical plant. Both methods have its own advantages and disadvantages. For vegetation and food source, we usually favor for asexual propagation to achieve uniformity, growth, yield, and quality. That's it for this video. Hope we all learned something new today. And if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to Pico. Thanks.